Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Simulation Corner. In this video I will make a FlowerVase. This is an assignment problem of my university. One of my friends told me to make a tutorial video. In my next video I will also make this part also. So let's go to SolidWorks, take a plane, take a central line, just draw a sketch. You don't need to think about the dimension. Here you can see total 4 diameter has given 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 90, 60 and 40, and the distance also given. So click on Smart Dimension, it's 200. You can see I need to give the distance of this line, but here only diameter has given, so I can use the radius. 50 diameter means the radius is 25, 45, 30 and 20. 25, 20, 45 and 30. You can hide this dimension. Okay, now click spline, just connect all the points. Take another line. Now click on feature, revolve boss base. Okay, axis of revolution. You can see default thin, the thickness is 1 centimeter. You can change it. Okay, our FlowerVase is ready. You can change the scene. Also the material type. This is our cross-sectional view. So thank you everyone.